Hi and hello everyone. Today we are going to see ideal stage of harvesting in important flower crops. Rose, red and pink cultivars are harvested when first two petal unfurls. Yellow color cultivars are slightly harvested earlier than red and pink color cultivars. White color cultivars are harvested slightly later than red and pink color cultivars. While in case of carnation, standard carnations are harvested when the flowers are half open, that is paint-brush stage is suitable for harvesting. Spray type carnation are harvested when two fully opened flower per branch should be retained. In chrysanthemum, standard cultivars are harvested when the outer petals are fully elongated. Spray cultivars are harvested when the flowers are fully open. Gladiolus are harvested when 1 to 2 basal floret shows color. Gerberas are harvested when the outer flower shows pollen. Liliums are harvested when buds exhibit color. Orchids are harvested when the flowers are fully open. Anthuriums are harvested when the top one-third of the spadix shows a different color. Tulips are harvested when bud exhibits half color. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel.